Rising maternal mortality rates and disparities in healthcare coverage are trending topics, and Southern University Law Center is trying to address those concerns. Marla Dickinson is here to tell us all about a conversation that they are going to be having very soon. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, Marla.
Thank you for having me.
Now, part of this conversation is the caste system versus the healthcare system.
Yes.
Tell us, what is the caste system?
So the caste system is a system in India, the country, in which Isabel Wilkerson really akins what's happening in the United States in various industries, places, to the caste system in India. And it's based on a hierarchy. So it can be social, class, racial, employment. And so she's taking a look at the different ways in which caste systems may have been built in the United States based on social constructs.
And so this conversation is actually going to be coming up next week on Monday, May 20th.
Absolutely.
What is it that you all are hoping to, I guess, get out of this conversation?
Well, we were afforded a grant through the Louisiana Department of Health. And so through that, our initiative is called Increasing Clinicians of Diversity. And we wanted to bring awareness to health disparities that occur specifically in and around the state of Louisiana. And so based on Isabel Wilkerson's book, Caste, we wanted her to come in and really talk about the historical context and the data that she has researched and written in her book, and how that actually akins to what's going on in the health system. So this is an educational conversation that we are going to have with her.
And this is open to the public as well, right?
Absolutely, it's open to the public, it's free. And so we want people to come out because as we've said and we know, we want people to get comfortable with being uncomfortable, because change is only going to happen when people understand why certain things are happening.
And when you speak of change, tell us quickly about some of the change that you hope to see happen.
Absolutely, we want to bring awareness to the disparities regarding transportation in rural America, and whether those people who live in rural Louisiana are able to access health care. We want to bring awareness to people who are unemployed and the difficulty that they have in finding doctors to treat them if they have Medicaid or if they are uninsured. We want to bring awareness to people who we will keenly aware of black mothers. The mortality rate for black mothers in the United States is higher than any other racial group in the United States. So we want to bring awareness to that. We want to make sure that people understand that these are real issues, and we need to develop solutions in order to solve them so we can have a healthier state. So
where is the event is going to be held, and all of that good information if people want to attend?
Absolutely. So you can register at www.sulc.edu/CAST. The event will take place at Southern University Law Center on Southern University's campus, 2 Roosevelt Step 2 Drive. You can put it in any GPS system. It'll take you right to the front door. And we're going to open up at 5, and then after the keynote, Ms. Wilkerson is going to sit down and sign some books for us.